Catalent has embraced the concept of flexible manufacturing with recent investments to accommodate the growing demands of our customers' programs. One recent investment was in our stick pack manufacturing line. Stick packs are a versatile packaging solution for a range of dosage forms, including powders, granules, beads, and mini tablets. Options for filling high-dose actives, including different API combinations and modified release mechanisms, can be applied to stick packs. Adding the stick pack capability to the Winchester site adds to Catalent's global footprint in meeting this growing demand. The stick pack technology provides a convenient, easy-to-take delivery system to increase patient adherence and improve the patient experience.
Roller compaction is a dry granulation process for materials that are sensitive to heat and moisture. Unlike wet granulation processes, it does not require liquid binders, alcohol solvents, and high temperature drying, resulting in a more consistent, higher quality granule. Roller compaction is the continuous processing of dry, fine powders or powder blends into flat-shaped compacts that are milled into the desired granule size. The milled ribbons are used to prepare blends that can be compressed in tablets or filled into capsules or powder into sachets. Catalent's roller compaction technology allows for flexible manufacturing, handling throughputs from 100 grams to 500 kilograms an hour with a sealing system in place to reduce fines. It is an ideal platform to support both pilot feasibility programs through to GMP commercial scale manufacturing with a quick and seamless scale-up process. With deep expertise in roller compaction, Catalent integrates optimal formulation, development, analytical expertise, and commercial manufacturing capabilities to deliver your products in optimal dose forms.
Capsule banding involves the sealing of capsules filled with powders or pellets. The primary purpose is to ensure that the contents of the capsules cannot be tampered without visual damage to the capsule shell. Catalent has the capability to commercially band capsules ranging from size 00 to size 5 for tamper resistance.